Digitalization changes product development, manufacturing, and optimization. New business models result. A high pace of innovation and the establishment of disruptive processes are indispensable in global competition. New challenges, however, also generate new opportunities. Short production development phases enable a short time to market. Flexibility enables cost-efficient product individualization. Efficiency creates sustainability. The environment and resources are saved. Data security safeguards your productivity. This is only possible with a completely digital process chain. The digital process chain starts with the generative design of the product form. Convergent modeling quickly generates new, computer-aided design variants. Manufacturing guidelines can already be integrated into NX via DFM Pro at an early stage. The integrated toolmaking assistant for injected molding tools efficiently implements mold release and 3D mold design. In case of changes to the product, the mold can be adapted accordingly. CAM software identifies the best processing strategy based on the component geometry. This enables high-speed processing and consistent material removal. The optimization of toolmaking generates continuous milling paths, ensuring a permanently high surface finish. The result is an optimal CNC program for manufacturing. NX for additive manufacturing benefits from the advantages of the end-to-end CADCAM process chain. Conformal cooling channels in the mold accelerate the cooling process of the mold. Different manufacturing strategies can be completely reviewed and optimized for 3D print. NX CMM software uses the PMI data generated in the CAD to create fully automated inspection programs for coordinate measuring machines. The resulting measuring results can be transferred back to the design to achieve improvements for the next run. The digitalization of the control loop can reduce comprehensive programming times by up to 80%.